Today's hybrid meetings aren't perfect. With more people returning and meeting back in the office, remote participants often can't see the in-room action clearly, especially in larger or longer rooms. While most of these rooms have a front-of-room camera, what happens when participants turn to talk to each other at the table, or if someone leans in and blocks the person behind them? We think meetings can be better. That's why we're excited to tell you about Logitech Sight. It sits at the center of the table and works together with our front-of-room Rally Bar or Rally Bar mini camera to consistently deliver a front and center view of what's happening around the table. When you start a meeting and you're welcoming the remote participants, the front-of-room camera captures the faces in the room. But when people start to talk to each other and across the table, Sight now has the best perspective, capturing their faces and voices from the center. No more side of the face, no more body blocking. With Sight, you are placed right in the middle of the action. Then, as people start to address the remote participants, our front and center system uses built-in AI to choose the better angle. And you can enable smart switching to ensure the best front-facing perspective, whether that's from Sight or the Rally Bar. It's not just front, it's not just center, it's front and center.
Sight is packed with advanced technology to facilitate the front and center experience. Sight has two 4K cameras that create an all-around view of the action, but leave out the displays at the front of the room because you don't want those framed. The 7 microphones on the top of Sight use direction of arrival to accurately triangulate where the voices are coming from, and then frame the active speaker. They also work as a mic pod to extend voice capture. And finally, a powerful processor in the device intelligently captures all this audio and video to best frame and switch to the active speakers. With Sight's front and center system, you'll enjoy 2 distinct experiences: a single composite view of up to 4 face tiles, and a smaller picture-in-picture view to provide context for what's happening in the room. Or you can choose a multi-stream view that shows individual face tiles along with the view of the room. You'll be able to configure settings for this front and center experience within sync, from how quickly Sight picks up the active speaker to how long it takes to release people after they've stopped talking. And of course, Sight integrates with our leading video partners like Microsoft, Zoom, and Google to easily deploy into your meeting room setups. Sight is also easy to install. You just run a Cat6 cable from Rally Bar to Rally Bar Mini and use one of the 3 included mounts to secure Sight to the table.
Bring a front and center view to your meeting rooms with Logitech Sight to help your remote participants see and hear more clearly and get the best perspective of the in-room action.